Here are the 6 main profitable digital businesses perfect for beginners, sit-at-home parents, 9 to 5 busy people, content creators, and then entrepreneurs. Number one is digital product creation. Create and sell ebooks, templates, guides, online courses, printables, and digital planner. For example, an ebook on how to start affiliate marketing or a Notion planner for productivity. And the platform you can use for this kind of content is Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, and Shopify. So the platform is where you list all these items, these ebooks, these digital products, and then you sell them on those platforms. Number two is affiliate marketing. Here you promote other people's products or services and then earn a commission for each sales or lead generated. For example, when recommending tech gadget, online courses, or tools like Canva, Amazon, or ClickBank products, when you recommend or you sell those products using the link from all these platforms, you do what? You earn commission. And the platform you can do this is like YouTube, TikTok, blog, Instagram, email marketing. All right. Now, the third one is online coaching, consulting, membership, and community creation. This is powerful. Here is where you can offer one-to-one or group coaching in areas like digital skills, personal development, parenting, fitness, or entrepreneurship. So you can start your own community. You can grow your audience. You can start running your events, challenges, start uploading your digital product in this community, and you monetize it. You make excess money having your own community. So, like for example, a beginners friendly program on how to turn ideas into income. All right. Number four is print on demand and dropshipping. So selling custom products like t-shirts, mugs, journals without holding inventory. Items are printed and shipped automatically. So t-shirts like motivational quote or faith-based design, these are things like starting drop shipping on eBay, on Shopify, or all these platforms, and even Amazon. So you can start business and start making money on digital space. The fifth one is content creation and monetization. You can call it digital marketing. So this is where you can create educational, motivational, lifestyle content and then earn through brand deals, sponsorship, ads, and fan support. So like for example, a YouTube channel or TikTok page sharing tips on making money. Last one we have is freelancing and then virtual assistant. You offer services like social media management, content writing, data entry, customer support, and graphic design. So it is just like, for example, it's helping small businesses, a small business owner manage their social media or email box. And then you can register on this platform, Fiverr, Upwork, People's Per Hour, and Freelancer, and get registered and do your application, and you'll be hired. And so if you want to learn more, if you want to understand what we do, and step by step, or you're still confused about the niche you have to follow, like what I've mentioned, click on the link in my bio, join our community where you will meet like-minded people that help each other to grow on this digital space. Thanks for watching.